Okay, so I'm so pumped about this video. Why? Because I'm going to show you how you can earn over 200% APR, 150, 100, 200, 300% APR, even more APR on your Ethereum, Solana, Sui, Arbitrum, and so on and so on, and so many tokens. And it's not so hard. It's much easier than you think. This is not ROI dApps. This is not miners, no shitty contracts. No, we are the bank. What do you mean by we are the bank? We are providing liquidity and we're getting part of these fees. Wait, what? Let me explain in the next few minutes, okay? This video is a must watch. If you want to learn how to yield farming, how to start with yield farming, this is the one what you need to watch. This will be my first one of the many videos to come. Why? Because I'm so pumped to bring these things to you, the yield farming, because this is the future. This is the real DeFi. This is the real DeFi. Why DeFi exists in the real space. I'm talking about the decentralized exchange, okay? I will tell you how they're working and how we can make some freaking money and why we are the bank. It's simple. It's very simple. Let me explain you in a few steps. Okay, so by the way, if you never watch any of my video, more you give, more you receive, go and watch. Shame on you if you never watch. Please watch, leave a comment and let me know what you think. I'm the only YouTuber in the DeFi space who is doing donation in India, Africa and the Philippines, and I was there and saw these amazing kids and I spent one of the best time in my life. Go and watch them. And very important, nothing here is financial advice. Do your research, your money, your issue, your problems. My money, my problems. This video is for education and entertainment purposes only. Okay, let's go. Now listen, DeFi Llama, okay? This is one of the best tools you can find. There's so many tools, but this one is a must visit and use tool. Check this out. At the moment, there are 72 billion locked with B for Bob, billions in the crypto space, 72 billions locked across the decentralized exchange, centralized exchange, and so on. Okay, this is a huge number. In the top of the bull market in 2021, they were around 175 billion, right there. There we go. 177, 178, 178.2 billion. So we are off for 110. So we are off for around 150% down. On the next of the top of the bull market, what hopefully will be this year or next year, probably next year, I am expecting, me personally, this will be around 200-300 billion right here. So this line right here, if you see right now, start climbing. Okay, start climbing. So this will be right there. Okay, what's mean? All these decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, people will go and buy and sell crypto. So when you buying and selling crypto, we paying fees. Always we paying fees. Okay, let me show you example. Let's say you open Uniswap. Okay, first of all, you need to pay the gas fee, 12 bucks. This is on Ethereum chain. Now, for 10,000 bucks DAI, you're going to get 9999. So $1, it's gone. It's fees, okay? So somebody's getting that fees, okay? And right here, this is for Ethereum. So these fees, when you're buying and selling 1%, 0.5%, 0.1% fees, they going for the people who providing liquidity. Okay, so let's go back. Now, let me just give you overall how much money they earning from fees, okay? Check this out. Uniswap, okay? So this is Uniswap, the biggest decentralized exchange on Ethereum. If you go to Uniswap, okay? So this is the Uniswap, simple. You go to pools, you go to right here, top pools, and let's see, this is on Ethereum. They have Arbitrum, different network right here, but let's go for Ethereum, the most used chain at the moment. Look, Bitcoin, Ethereum, TVL, total volume locked, okay, total value locked, 300 million. Volume for the last 24 hours, 7 millions, okay? For the 7 days, 150 millions. Check this out. USDC Ethereum, volume for the last 24 hours, trading volume, 100 millions. Okay, 100 millions for 24 hours. Just imagine. 53,000 in fees. Let me just repeat that for you. This is just only on Uniswap, on Ethereum. They made 53,000 bucks in fees in the last 24 hours. Where do you think this fee is going to go? They're going to go for the people who provide liquidity or market makers. In the modern world, in the bank, it's called market makers. So market makers are the people who provide liquidity in the banks. It's the same in the real world, but Uniswap was the first exchange who brought them here in the crypto world. It's nothing new, but it's new in the crypto. Okay, now I hope you follow me. Now, by providing us liquidity, we getting part of these fees. So if you go back for DeFi Llama, if you go right here for the fees, okay, simple, check this out. Okay, Uniswap, okay, fees in the last 24 hours, 2 million Ethereum, 9 million PancakeSwap, 700,000 in fees. Raydium, one of my favorite, 400,000, okay, Meta, and so on and so on. Look, all these fees are giving to the people who giving liquidity, who are providing liquidity. Okay, so let me show you how you can make money. So check this out. TurboSwaps, one of the decentralized exchange on Sui, for Sui network. Okay, so we have every single chain have their own decentralized exchange. Like Binance chain have PancakeSwap, like Polygon have also Uniswap you can use. Okay, like Solana have Orca and Raydium. Okay, like Osmosis have Osmosis, like Atom and all that Atom network, they have Osmosis. Okay, so look how much fees we can earn. All right, let's go first for Sui. Let's go for earn. Okay, look at 136% APR. Okay, here we're talking about concentrate liquidity pools. So this is totally different than the old school. So what is old school or V2? V2 is by providing liquidity by pairing right here. Like example, I'm taking SparkSwap, this on Pulse chain. Okay, just example. Now, by the way, I invest here and I love it. Like say example, DAI and Pulse, you provide liquidity together and you're making 100% APR per year. That's crazy. 100% APR. Okay, if you get their native token Spark and SDAI, you're getting 150% APR. Okay, so that's V2. If you go to the V3 concentrate liquidity pools, it's a little bit different. So you need to learn this. Okay, don't go just blind. Start with small and start building up. Okay, so what's this mean? So by providing concentrate liquidity pools, this is what you need to do. We set up a range where we think the price of the token going to be. So let's say we think this is Sui example. Okay, this is Sui right here. So Sui right now it's 1.77 bucks. So if you think the price will be between, let's say 165 to let's say $2, so 8%, let's say 10% up and 10% down. Okay, you're going to get APR of 233% APR. So if you provide liquidity right now, this is how much you're going to get. 230% APR. This is projected, though the price can go up and down. It depends on the price. That's how much you can get. APR can be much higher or can be much lower. Okay, make sure you understand the impermanent loss. Okay, it's much more to explain, but this is the first video, so I'm going to explain you very briefly. Okay, look, 230% APR. 233%. Your money are not locked. You provide liquidity, you can take them out anytime you want, and you start earning money, fees in a second. The first minute you start earning fees. Okay, let's go to the next one. Orca, one of my favorite on Solana. Look, total value locked 180 million, 24-hour volume, 250 million bucks. Weekly rewards 30,000. All right, I'm not sure if this is the fee. No, it's not. I think this is from the Orca. Doesn't matter, just ignore me there. Now let's go. So check this out. Solana and USDC 0.2%. This is daily, okay, per day. Here you can change for 7 days. Okay, now check this out. Let me give you my favorite. I like for 24 hours because you know what's the real. Okay, this is I provide here so many liquidity in so many different pools. Okay, my favorite Pit. Look, Pit and Sol. Okay, PYTH. Okay. Okay, so I just connect my wallet. So check this out. Pit and Sol, or WIF. This is one of my favorite, by the way. WIF or Pit and Sol. Look, Pit and Sol, you provide liquidity. Okay, you pick up the range wherever you think will be. And this is, let's say, I like usually, you know, it depends. You need to check the pair and all this stuff. How is their coloration and all this stuff here. 0.44% per day if I put 10% down and 10% up if the price go. Okay, that's crazy. If you go more narrow, you know what is not recommended, just be careful. 10 and 10 is 0.5% per day, 0.52% per day, and your money are not locked. You can get out anytime. Osmosis, last one I'm going to talk with you. Injective and USDC. Check this out. In the last 7 days, they earn they give 11,000 bucks of fees. Okay, this is only on osmosis. Okay, so if you want to provide liquidity, go to create position, go to next, make sure you learn how to set up your wallets and all this stuff. If you go to aggressive, okay, 457% APR, 457% APR. That is crazy. Crazy. Who give you that? Like, okay, but that's too risky. Okay, so let's go to moderate. Here, by the way, you can do by yourself 100%, but that's too moderate. So I will go just 43 up, okay, and I will go 34 down bucks. Okay, let's see how much we're going to get. Check this out. So if you just move from 28 till 43, 240% APR. This is crazy. You can just play around here. You can do whatever you want. That's crazy. 240% APR on injective and stable. All right, so if the price go up and down, make sure you understand the risk over there. But for me, it's much less risk than going in all these APRs or RI dubs. All right, that's about it for this video. One of the best, I just want to mention the end, one of the best places to learn is by joining this group, only if you want. Again, this is the Underdog Investor Group. This coming from Lucas, amazing guy, an amazing YouTuber. I joined here. This is the guy, he's a YouTuber, all right? Amazing team, and I really like them a lot. I pay membership for 6 months up front, and probably I'll pay for the next 6 years, to be honest. Okay, so this is where I'm learning a lot. Okay, a great community. If you want to join, they have some discount there. Make sure you tell them CryptoPhil send you, because you're going to get a big bonus the second month you join. Okay, so this costs around $100 a month, but you get 20% discount. Again, only if you want to learn a lot. Make sure you tell them CryptoPhil send you, because the second month you're going to get $50 in cash, okay, back in your account. What's mean you're only paying around $40-50 for the first month, something like that, okay, because the second month, once you pay, you get the money back. So when you divide, it's coming around $50 a month, $60 a month overall after the discount. Okay, so this is one of the best place to learn for yield farming. Okay, I hope you learn a lot. This will be one of the many videos. If you want to chat with me or to ask me any question, come in my Telegram. It's free. Let's chat. Ask me in the comment section. But the best way is in the Telegram group. I'm hanging every day there. All right. Love you all. The video is too long. Till the next one. I do I, and you do you. Goodbye.